In today's tutorial video of App Tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Bank of America account. If you have forgotten the password of your Bank of America online banking, then in this video I'm going to show you the steps that you need to do in order to recover it. Now if this is something that you want to learn and if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. First of all, open up your web browsers and search for bankofamerica.com. Once you do, it's going to take you to the website of Bank of America. Now on the left hand side, you would see this login box. Now if you knew the password and login details, you could easily enter it in and click on login. But in case you don't remember your password or your user ID even, you can click on forgot ID/password. Now first of all, in order to change your password, you will need to verify yourself. So this way your account will be protected and not everyone would be able to change your password of your online banking. So firstly, what you need to do is type in the last 6 digits of your card number, or you can also type in the last 6 digits of your account number. So type that in the first box, and in the second box you need to type in your social security number or your tax ID number. You can choose between either of these options, or if you don't have your social security or your tax number, you can click on don't have SSN or TIN, and instead of that you'll have a section of adding in or typing in your savings or checkings account number, the last 6 digits of your debit card or your ATM card, and the PIN of your debit or ATM card. So this is the process if you don't have SSN or TIN. But if you do, you can just type it in and click on continue. And in the next section, you will receive a password reset link on your registered email address, from where you can just click on the link, and then you'll have a section of creating a new password. And once you create a new password, your password will be successfully reset and you'll be able to come to this section again, type in your user ID and type in the new password that you created and click on login, and this way you'll be able to easily log in to your Bank of America online banking. So that's all it takes to recover your Bank of America account. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.